Hi everyone! As you can see, I have a huge box here in my hands, and we are going to open the November release. So we're going to, I might have to actually adjust my camera angle a little bit because it is absolutely massive. Like, oh my goodness, look at it! Oh wow, okay. Right, so first off, so there's going to be another round of wax seals releases. So we got some new colors. So we got shimmer gold and ocean mist. Look at beautiful. And I picked out the heirloom oval. I don't know if you can you see that? And also the graceful feather. Now I did get another wax former scent, which I don't actually need, so I'm not going to open this. So I'm going to put this aside. I might do like a little giveaway or something later, and just, you know, share the love. So we also have some new inks, so I'm gonna try to, actually I probably should have done this first, but oh well, you live and learn. Or do I? Doesn't really seem like I do, does it? Okay, right. I think we are okay, I think I got them in the right order. Let's see. Okay, so we've got I don't know the name of this color family, so I will put that down here so you can see it later. So we got Silver Sprout, Sage Stone, Olive Grove, and Mossy Granite. So these are very kind of like holiday season kind of greens, like a silvery kind of green. Great, going to be for you know, holiday kind of what's it called, foliage and stuff. And so for our kind of nudes here, we've got Shattered Shell, Warm Linen, oh great name, Ginger Root, and Umber Shadow. And our sort of purpley and lilac-y, I think this is the right color. So we got Celestial Mist, Glacier Iris, ooh, great name also, Dreamy Periwinkle, and Twilight Sky. So great new inks, and there's a little ink blending tool, although I think that's with our, it's with one of the kits anyway. So right, let's see here. This is not, I haven't sorted any of this, so we're just gonna do it as it comes. Okay, so we got Blooming Lantana. Okay, bear in mind that I'm a foreigner, so sometimes I don't know how to pronounce these things. So Blooming Lantana, I'm gonna say. And oh, okay, so this is pretty cute. So you stamp up the branch or the stem, and then all of these little die cuts actually have got letters on them as well. So you just coordinate, or you line up the letters with their corresponding spot here, and then you get this cute little flower. Wow. Oh, so many ideas. I need to calm down a little bit. Okay, right, and then we have Sweet Life. This is the mini delight. So we have a little cutie pie cupcake, a layering die cut cupcake, and some little flowers, and is it lemon wedge? Ooh. Oh my goodness, now I want cupcakes. Oh goodness. Okay, side note, alrighty-o. And let's see here. Okay, that is not that one. This is pages. Okay, right. So our Build a Garden is the Climbing Clematis. I'm gonna love this. So we got our layering stencils, a actual outline stamp, the coordinating die cut, and I want to say that's it. Yeah, it's usually just the 3 products. And we have a 3D embossing folder called Dancing Cosmos. Beautiful. Ooh, this will go great with the previously released flower, Craft the Flower, which was also a Cosmos flower. Hearts and Paisleys. Okay, so we have a 3D embossing folder with a coordinating stamp, layering stamp set. No, why do I keep saying layering stamp set? It is layering stencils. What is going on with me today? Okay, so this is gonna make some cute, very colorful backgrounds. Always good to have. Dancing Cosmos. Oh, okay, the Dancing Cosmos has got coordinating layering stencils as well. Brilliant. Brilliant. Perfect. I love that. Now, we have a Bumblebee layering die set. Cute little bee. And then a... Okay, so this is Craft Your Life project kit. So that should probably be in here. Okay, so we have... Oh, the Coral Charm and Peony layering die set. My God, how stunning is that? Look at it. Whoa. And that's actually how big it is. It says 100% actual size. Wow. Oh my lordy. Whew. Okay. And we have stencil art, Flourishing Vines. I do love these stencils. So normally there's 6 stencils, so you can create all sorts of like backgrounds and funness. And as a crazy plant lady now, fully like I'm crazy dog lady, crazy plant lady. Yes, this is gonna, I have so much fun with that. I am 100% sure. Okay, and we have Find Joy layering stencils. So find joys in the little things. Oh, that is so sweet. This reminds me of the today is a good day to make someone happy, which also has a coordinating dice cut. So hopefully, with a little bit of luck, this one will get a coordinating die cut later on as well. But now, let's have a look at this Craft Your Life project kit, because we've got a Zero Waste Honeycomb Haven die. That is adorable. Okay. And we have coordinating layering stencils. So you can add, make a background, cut them out. And we have Honeycomb Haven 3D embossing folder, and also the here we go. Okay, so Honeycomb Haven layering stamp set, and these are the coordinating die cuts. So yes, this is going to be brilliant. Beautiful, or beautiful even. Yes, we are going corny today, 100% corny. Yes. And then, there is a t-shirt in here as well. So I think we're going to open this and have a little look. This is a great color for autumn. Craft Your Life. Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, well, I might put this on and let's get crafting. And if you cannot wait to shop, I will have a affiliate link to Altenew at absolutely no extra cost to yourself whatsoever. And if you ever shop using, or like if you ever shop from Altenew, I would be so grateful if you use my affiliate link or use somebody's affiliate link, so that somebody gets the recognition for inspiring you. But if it's me, yay, hi, my link will be down in the description box as well. So thank you so much for watching until now. Now we're going to tidy up all of this up, and we're actually going to make something. We are going to craft your life. Yes, we are. In fact, we are not, because I ran out of time. But happy release day! And don't forget to subscribe for more, eventually.